Hello everyone, I'm Natalie, and today Veritas Health is bringing you the top 5 exercises for SI joint pain relief. First exercise I'm going to show you is a sitting hip adductor stretch. You will sit at the edge of your chair with your feet spread and your legs wide. Lean forward towards the ground till you feel a gentle stretch through the inside of your thighs. You can hold this stretch for up to 30 seconds, working up to 3 times. The next stretch I'm going to show you is a seated hamstring stretch. You will put your leg out in front of you with the knee straight, keeping the back straight, hinge forward at your hips until you feel a gentle stretch through the back of your thigh. Hold this position for 30 seconds, working up to 3 times on each side. The next stretch I'm going to show you for SI joint pain relief is a quadricep stretch. You're going to stand in front of a chair or a wall for some balance, grab an ankle, and pull towards your buttocks. You're looking for a gentle stretch through the front of your thigh. Hold this for 30 seconds, performing 3 times on each side. The next stretch I'll show you for SI joint pain relief is a press-up. This will be performed lying on your belly with your hands near your shoulders. Keeping your hips flat on the ground, you will press yourself up until you feel a stretch through the abdomen. You can work up to holding this position for 20 seconds, performing 5 repetitions. If this position is too much pressure, it can be modified by performing on your elbows. The final stretch I'm going to show you for sacroiliac joint pain relief is lying on your back. You're going to perform a knee to chest stretch by bringing your knee towards your chest until you feel a gentle stretch through the low back and glutes. You can hold this stretch for 30 seconds, working up to 3 times total on each side. Learn more about SI joint pain on Spine Health, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.